Hey guys, Old Beater Cars Workshop. Well, here's a project I've been working on. It is a, it's modeled after a Hyster um, asphalt roller. It's kind of old school style. Just don't see these around anymore. Very old school, open top, powered. Well, this one has a V8 in it. Some are powered by 6 cylinders, 4 cylinders, sometimes diesels. Depends whatever the company had on hand, that's what they used. So this is not a vibrating roller. This has just heavy weight. Some of them had liquid in the roller. Sometimes they were complete steel. Either they're filled with concrete or they were all steel. Just depend on the what materials the company had. So I've been itching about building one of these for quite a while, and just kind of follow the pictures. Right, I had a couple pictures of these. Hyster did make quite a few of these back when. We don't have one. I guess probably the Highways probably had one many years ago. Some brand of roller. Now we have Caterpillar and John Deere and that kind of stuff, right? So and also some Chinese stuff too. But anyways, so we'll move this around here and show you guys this. What's not. Very simple construction. And actually the barrels are actually from the truck trailer kit that I built here. Kind of replicate rolls of wire, wire rolls, and I just kind of put a couple of them together and made my roller. So it looks pretty close to what it should be. So very lewd and crude design. 2-seater steering wheel is right here. Very simple design. There's your throttle there. Throttle's on top here. Your exhaust, your seats, shifters for high-low range, and a couple hoses for your steering. Nothing overcomplicated. It's very, very basic. So anyways, I just wanted to add this to my fleet of road construction equipment. So been thinking about building one, so now we got one, and the other one's to build. So that looks pretty cool. I really like it. I really like building these construction models. No one does it. No one builds them, but I like to build them. Something different. Different than building cars all the time, right? And trucks and such. Alright, lads. Well, I would put decals on the side, but I don't have anything for doing decals. I used to have a old label maker, but it only did black anyway. If it did white, it'd be kind of cool, but didn't have that color option. So I didn't have any decal paper anyways either. Anyways, you guys, that's my Hyster pavement asphalt roller, however you want to say it. I'd probably call it asphalt roller, more or less what you guys would recognize, people. So, alright, well guys, thanks for watching, and we'll post up a video of the 37 Ford we're working on here, and go from there. See ya.